Let's learn about CAG 2.1 Success Criterion 1.4.9 Images of text, no exception. Images of text are only used for pure decoration or where a particular presentation of text is essential to the information being conveyed. Here's an example of how to implement the images of text, no exception, requirement in HTML and CSS. In this example, the HTML contains a heading H1 and a paragraph P element, as well as an image. The heading is written with a large font size and weight, and the paragraph is written with a normal font size and weight. The CSS sets the default font size and weight for the H1 element to 36 pixels and bold, respectively, and sets the default font size and weight for the P element to 16 pixels and normal, respectively. The image is included using an int element, with an alt attribute that provides a description of the image. This description is used by screen readers to describe the image to users who cannot see it. This implementation ensures that text is not presented as an image, making it accessible to users with visual impairments and to users who have slow internet connections or are using devices with low processing power.